Hi guys, this is Matthew of Tackle Marine. Right now, may introduce kami sa inyong isang brand. It's called Gladiator Box. So, what is Gladiator Box? So, it's a storage box for your fishing, pwede, camping, pwede, and lalo na sa mga bedroom ninyo, pwede din siyang gamitin. So, this one, it's a collapsible box, no? So, ito yung mga ibang models niya. There's plenty of colors. So, napakadaling gawin, napakabilis gamitin. Di ba, guys? Introduce yourself. What's your name? Sander. So, show them how easy. So, yon. So, easy ba? Very easy. So, yun yung kinagandahan dito sa Gladiator Box, no? Napakabilis siyang store, napakabilis siyang gamitin. 'Di ba? So, this one, heavy duty din. 'Di ba? As you can see, hindi siya yung basta-bastang plastic. So, kami, we're using it for fishing and camping. 'Di ba? So, may kasama pa siyang mga boards na ganito. So, pampatibay pa. So, may mga nahuli kayong fish, you can do the chopping here. Or cooking sa boat or sa camping, whatever. Tapos, they have launched this kind of box, no? Camping box, as you can see. So, may table siya. Pwede mo siyang gawing lamesa, coffee table, cooking table, whatever. Tapos, this one, may storage system siya. So, you can put the mga whatever ingredients mo or mga chichirya, delata, whatever. Ang galing nung nakaisip nito. So, anyway, tapos they have launched a new mga SKUs eh. Like yung inuupuan ni Xander, as you can see. Trolley siya. Tapos you can convert it to a chair. Diba? Very nice. As they have many colors. May green, may camo, may khaki. Ano pa ba yung nilaunch nila? This one. Storage box talaga. For your house. So, ayun siya. Madami siyang storage system. So, teka, ano to? Later, ito, papakita ko sa inyo ano to. So, this one, to yung mga box na ganito. Very durable. So, ano pa ba? Upuan. Inuupuan ni Zandra. Diba? So, the Gladiator release camping chairs na rin. So, soon, baka, Boss Wilbert, baka maglabas ka naman ng tent. Diba? So, anyway, this one, guys, pinadala ni Gladiator PH, no? This one, nagtaka din ako, pero na-realize ko, towel pala. It's cold touch ice towel. So, meaning, drop mo lang sa cooler or sa any malamig mo, tapos pagpunas mo sa katawan mo habang mainit yung araw or whatever. So, nakaka-refresh. This is a nice invention ng Gladiator. Galing. So, anyway, guys, you can visit our physical shop here at Tackle Marine. You can just check our Facebook page or our Instagram or we release our YouTube channel. So, please like it and share it na rin, diba? Tapos, thank you, Boss Wilbert of Gladiator PH. You can check them sa official website nila kung may ano pa yung mga katanungan ninyo. Guys, tapos, special mention pala ng Hobby Dynamics. Ito. Ireregalo na raw nila sa akin to. Anyway, just joking hard. Anyway, try to check the Gladiator products on their page or on our shop. So, yun lang guys. Have a nice day and God bless. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye guys.